All right, in this recording, we're going to talk about a few more items here, and then we'll have our basics covered. And I'm going to try to really wrap up quite a few different things in a quick little 5-minute video here. So the first we're going to talk about is the local vimrc, which is the configuration file, and all configuration options that you define inside of VIM itself. So like if I sit here and open up VIM, and let's just say just call random.txt, and any options that I set within this session. So like let's say set number, for instance, which gives us a number on the left hand side there, and we're just going to type in some random text. Okay, and as you can see, that's 4 lines. Let's use our Command W as we talked about before to write, and then Q to quit. Okay, if we open random back up again using, you can see that the line numbers are gone. That's because any configuration option that you define inside of VIM are only valid for that particular VIM session. And this is where the vimrc file comes in handy. So on a Unix-based system, it's found within the user's home directory. Okay, and it's called .vimrc. So if we go in within this file and then we do the same thing, we do set. Now notice that it does not have the sorry about that. All right, if you notice, we're not using the colon here. Okay, so not like we did down here. Remember, we did in command mode, we had to use a set number like that, but we're not going to do that here. We're just going to say set number. Okay, and if go ahead and save that and exit, then if we open random.txt back up, you'll see that our numbers are there. All right, so on Unix-based systems, found in the user's home directory is called .vimrc. On Windows-based systems, or there's nothing really else other than that. It's _vimrc again in the user's home directory. Now there's a global vimrc, and generally you don't want to edit that file unless you need something that you want to be configured system-wide, and that would be in VIM's home directory. And again, same thing, .vimrc on Unix-based systems and _vimrc on Windows-based systems. You can find out the version of VIM by simply going into VIM and then typing in the command mode version. Okay, and that'll go ahead and give you all the information regarding VIM. We're going to talk about installation, which is pretty straightforward. You go to www.vim.org, and you'll be able to download it from there, install it, and that's on the Windows system. You can use the .exe, a self-installing executable, or on Unix, Linux-based systems, you can use the package manager that comes with your particular system, whether that's Debian-based or RPM, and so forth.